Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making beef soup with soup beef and cow feet. So we're going to start off by washing our meat with lime, vinegar, and water. I'll be making it in the Instapot today, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all the meat in. Then we're going to go ahead and add our diced veggies, the pumpkin and carrots. You can use celery too if you like. And we're just going to fill that up with some water until it reaches the same level of the content in the Instapot, with 2 cubes of beef bouillon or chicken bouillon. And we're gonna cook that on pressure for about 45 minutes. That should be enough to tenderize the cow feet. We're gonna make our dumplings in the meantime. Some flour and cornmeal, a little bit of salt and some water, and just mix it till you get a soft dough. Then we're going to transfer the cooked meat to a pot on the stovetop and just make our dumplings. And we're going to add our yams as well. Give that a stir. And then we're going to just cook these until the food is cooked. Then we're going to add our corn. I add the corn a little bit later when I'm putting in the seasoning because they don't take long. So we'll add our thyme, some scallion, some Scotch bonnet pepper. You can add Irish potatoes if you want at this point. And we're just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, until all the flavor is cooked out of the seasonings. And we're gonna add our pumpkin noodle. And just stir that around until the noodle is all mixed out, because you don't want it to like clump together. And we're gonna let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, just until the soup is thickened to the consistency that you like. I like my soup to be thick, but if you like it like thinner, then you can make it thinner by just not letting it simmer for that long. You don't have to use cowfoot either. You can just use beef, or you can do the same thing with chicken as well. And then we're all set. Yummy. Please remember to like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.